Dear student, today we start with the chapter Power Sharing. It's a revision chapter. In this, we are going to discuss about the two case studies, Belgium and Sri Lanka. Okay, we see the community of the region of Belgium, which is divided into three: Wallonia region, the capital Brussels, and the Flemish region, where they have the different percentage of the things. The major is the Dutch in the whole of the Belgium, French, and the 1% of the German. But in the capital, it is having the 80% of the French and 20% of the Dutch. The next is the Sri Lanka. The ethnic composition of Sri Lanka is of the majorly it's of Sihals, the people of the Sri Lanka, and the Tamil civilians are there. So they are the two types of the Tamil civilians. One which is migrated before the independence of India, and second which is taken by the Britishers for the plantation workers. Reason for the alienation of the Sri Lankan Tamils for the Mediterranean in the Sri Lanka. Reasons are dominance of Sinhal's community due to the majority. 1956 Act made Sinhals as the only official language. Preferential policies favoring the Sinhalese in the university position and jobs. State to promote and foster the Buddhism. Then the position of the Sri Lankan Tamils launched the political parties and struggled for the recognizing Tamil as an official language. Demanded autonomy, equal opportunities in education and job. Political organization was formed demanding an independent Tamil Elam in North and the East Sri Lanka. Then we discuss about why is power sharing desirable in democracy. The two reasons, prudential region and the moral region. It's reduced the conflict between the social groups, stability of the political orders, and the better outcomes in the prudential, and it is spirit of democracy. People have the right to be communities for the power sharings. Belgium and Sri Lanka similarity, both are democracy. Difference, power sharing arrangement is different. What is unique about Belgium? Leaders have realized that the unity of the country is possible only by respecting the feelings and interests of the different communities and region. What are the drawbacks in the system followed by the Sri Lanka? Dominance of majority community Sinhals by refusing to share power with Tamil, resulting in the disunity. Power sharing result. The country united respected the feelings of the different community and the religion that happens in the Belgium. But power sharing in Belgium. Equal number of ministers from the Dutch and French speaking area in the central government. No single community can make decision unilaterally. Transfer of power from the center to the state. State government will not be subordinate to the center. Separate government in Brussels with the equal representation for the French and the Dutch. Formation of community government elected by the people belonging to the language community Dutch, French, and German wherever they live. This has power regarding cultural, education, language related issues. Power sharing by accommodation in Belgium. When the Mediterranean government is ruling in the Sri Lanka, it causes a setback that is a civil war. Why in democracy should political power be distributed? People are the source of all power. People rule themselves through the institution of self-governance. Due respect is given to the diverse group and views. All have a voice in shaping public policies. Now, have a quick look over the forms of the power sharing. Now, in the last, it's a summary of the chapter. You can go through it and get the things very easily.